No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we have some homework to check. We did some problems on our new theorems involving the median.
Yeah. It was kind
Some
of
of the
hard.
ones at the
I
end
didn't get some of the
were like
questions.
confusing, and I couldn't figure out how to get them.
Okay.
I got the first one. I actually have a few of them.
Who said they got the first one? Grace?
Yeah.
Was that Grace? Okay. Tell me what you got. So we had to do 5, 6, and 7. Number 5.
I had x equals 6, y equals 3 root 5, and z equals 6 root 5.
Good. That's what my book says. And I was just working on, oh, never mind. Okay. I didn't get Z correctly.
Wait, what page is it?
It's page 569. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So, Grace was correct. X is 6, Y is 3 root 5, and Z is 6 root 5. Does anybody want to see that? You're all okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Number 6, Luke. Did you have troubles with 6?
No.
All right. What do you got?
I hope not. I got x equals 32, y equals 16 root 5, and z is 8 root 5.
Yeah.
Wait,
right, does anyone
show that one?
Yeah, I was just going to say, does anyone need Luke to walk us through that? Which one did you find first, Luke?
X.
Okay, tell me what you did.
I did 16 equals 8 times x. Wait, the root.
16 equals the square root of 8.
Yeah, that's
8x.
8x, yeah. And then you
and
then you just square both of the numbers, and then it's 256 equals 8x. And then you just solve it from there.
Okay. Divide by 8. And that came out as even 32. Okay. So now you have x. What should you do next?
I think I did y next.
Okay. So did you use Pythagorean theorem or did you use something else?
I used the other two sides, the 8 and then x.
Okay.
So it would just be the square root of 40 plus 36.
Okay.
All
right, so you're saying y squared.
Oh, wait. I just got something different.
40 squared plus 36 squared?
Oh, shoot. 32, I meant. There we go.
Well, yeah. I see your 40. Where did you get the 36?
It's a 32. I didn't say that right.
All right. And y squared. So, but the hypotenuse is the 40, right? All right. So 40 squared equals. All right. I'm just trying to figure out how you did that because you didn't have y or z. Are you trying to solve for y?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me what your equation was again.
The square root of 40 times 32.
Oh, you were using the other formula. Okay. Square root of 40 times 32. Okay. Square root of 40 times 32 equals y. Okay. God bless you.
Thank you.
All right. And you did 40 times 32, got 1280. And square root of that All right. Tell me again what you got for y, Luke?
16 root 5.
Say it again.
16 root 5.
Good. You have the fancy calculator that does that for you, right? If you just type in square root of 1280.
Yep.
Okay. Otherwise, we'd have to figure out that 1280 is 336 times 5.
Uh.
256. Okay. All right. I'm going to write that up there so you guys can copy it down if you didn't get that part for y. All right. How about z, Luke? Then what did you do?
I pretty much did the same thing as y, except it's 8 plus 40 because of those two sides. So square root of 8 times 40.
8 times 40. Okay.
And
So
that's 8 root 5.
all right, so that's the square root of 320. 8 root 5. Okay. Those are fine. I probably would have used the Pythagorean theorem to solve those. But when we were watching the video, the instructor in the video said that he thinks the Pythagorean theorem is more difficult than using the new theorem. So, Luke, did you agree with him? You liked these new theorems?
I like both.
Okay. All right. Number 7 might have been a challenge because it's when we have to look at these diagrams and pictures. So, Aristotle, can you read that one for us?
Yeah. Corey is visiting the Jefferson Memorial with his family. He wants to estimate the height of the statue of Thomas Jefferson. Corey stands so that his line of vision to the top of the base of the statue form a right angle as shown in the diagram. About how tall is the statue?
Ugh, gross. Okay, what did you get that one, Aristotle?
Yeah, I said about 19 feet.
I said 20.
Okay, about 19, about 20. Brian, what did you get?
19 feet.
Lily?
Oh wait,
I got
about 19.
2 feet and 11 inches.
Sorry, I didn't hear that, Lily.
I got 8 feet and 11 inches.
Okay, Colby?
I got about 19 feet.
And Grace?
Yeah, me too.
Okay, book is giving me 18 feet, 11 inches, Lily. All right, can you walk us through how you did that, Lily?
Okay, so I took it up, so it was like I had AD over BD and then BD over DC, and then so there'd be AD over 104 and 104 over 68, and then I got 68 times AD equals 104 times like 104. It was so then times 104, and then it was 68 AD equals 10,816, and so which is 100, and so then I divided it, and it's AD equals 159 inches, and then I did A equal, so I did AC equals 80 plus DC, so which would, so then I did 159 plus 68 equals 227 inches, and then to figure out the feet I divided 12 and then 18 feet 11 inches.
Good job, Lily. Okay, and you guys were all getting close to that, so I'm not sure exactly what you guys did. Listening to Lily, did you do something similar and you were rounding and that's why it's like close but not exact?
Yeah.
I did the same exact thing. If just said about, so I just rounded up to 19.
Okay, because 18 feet, 11 inches is almost. Okay,
But the
sounds
statue
good.
is 19 feet tall.
All right, nice job. All right, and then you guys went to the next page, and 18 to 23. Okay. 18, let me go with Colby. What do you have?
I have Z equals 7. X equals, wait, we're on 18, right?
Yeah.
And then I have X equals 6
Mm-hmm.
and Y equals 11.
All right, I like your X. So I think for your X, you did 9 times 4 is 36, and then you took the square root and got X equals 6. All right, so
Yeah.
I would do X first, and then I would just do Pythagorean
Yeah, I just
theorem.
thought of that.
Okay, so I would do Z equals, and just do X squared plus Y squared. So 36 plus 16, which is 52. So Y is the square root of 52. And 52 is 13 times 4. So that would be 2 root 13. All right. So X is 6. Y is 2 root 13. And would do the Pythagorean theorem again. When I do the Pythagorean theorem with the triangle that I formed, that, or I guess I could use the whole triangle. I could use, yeah, I have to use that whole triangle. And my hypotenuse then is 13 because it's 9 plus 4. Okay. So 9 plus 4 is 13. If I square that, that's 169. And then I have to subtract 2 root 13, and I have to square that. All right. Which would be 4 times 13, 52. And for Z, we should come out with 2 root 13.
Yeah. All right.
Mrs. Palmer.
Oh, sorry. That was Z was 2 root 13. Y is 3 root 13. Go ahead, Brian.
Yeah, my PC suggestion.
Oh, of course.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. All right. So Y is 3 root 13. Let me just check something on there. On 17. Okay. All right. Number 19, Grace.
I got equals 5 root 13. And then I got
Mm-hmm.
here I did Y.
Somebody may need to mute. Someone, I don't know, there's some kind of screaming in the background somewhere. But I'm not sure whose house it is.
It's me. It's my
Okay.
sister.
All right. So Grace, X, you got 5 root 13. That's good. Did you use Pythagorean theorem for that?
And then Y. Yeah, I did. Or yes.
Okay. And what did you get for Y?
I got 6.
Well, look at Y. Y is that whole long side, and part of it is 6. We have to find that other part.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. How could we find the other part of that? Let me see who comes after Grace. Aristotle?
So
What would you do?
So since 17 is equal to those two segments multiplied and the square root of those the product of those
Yeah.
two segments,
Yep.
you'd take 17 times 17, which is 289, and divide by 6. Oh wait. I don't remember. That's 7 times 17. Then divide by 6. I think that's what I did, but clearly that's not what I did.
I get y equals 54.2.
Yeah. Well, 54 and 1/6. 0.2 is like 1/5. So that's 54.2 is good. All right. What did you do, Luke?
So I did 17 equals the square root of 6 minus, and then in parentheses, y minus 6.
All right. So 6 times y minus 6, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right. So 17 equals the square root of 6y minus 36?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then you squared both sides?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's 289 equals 6y minus 36. I think that's probably what you were doing, Aristotle. 253 equals 6y. I'm writing it down so you guys can see it. 42.
Oh yeah. That's what I was doing, but I was getting 48, but that's just that one segment, and then I'd have to add 6 to get the whole y.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me just put these, because I subtracted 36 instead of adding it. So that was 325 equals 6y. $54.2, and then we're going to add the 6 that we have. No, it's just giving me 54.2. Okay. Okay, then to find z, I mean, I like to use the Pythagorean theorem for that, but you guys might use something different. So I'm going to ask, Lily, what did you get for z for number 19? Oh, you're muted still, Lily.
Sorry.
It's okay. What did you get for z?
51.1. 51.
Yeah. Good. What did you use?
The one they used in the video thing when you.
Oh, okay.
So 54.2 times 48.2, which is 2,612.44, which is 51.1. I did that wrong. I missed something.
Okay. And you took the square root of that? Okay.
Yeah.
So you think that way is easier also?
Yeah. It makes more sense to me. I can never remember the Pythagorean theorem.
Really?
So, yeah, I never remember.
All right. So it's off in this little box here. I put it. It's hard for me to read it when I hold it up. So Lily took what they described in the video, which was 54.2, which was that whole side, okay, times 48.2, which was the side that was adjacent to what we're looking for. And she multiplied it together, got 2,612.44, and took the square root. All right, and that was the formula from the video where that instructor said that was easier to do anyway. Okay. All right, we're at number 20. Luke, what do you got for 20?
For 20, I got y equals 2 root 6,
Mm-hmm.
x equals 2 root 12, and z equals 2 root 15.
All right, it's giving me for x, it's giving me 2 root 10.
Okay.
I don't know if it's a misprint in my book. But we could probably use that formula that Lily was just talking about for x, right?
Yeah.
Where she did like the whole side, just 10, 100, plus the side adjacent 4. Square that, which is 16.
Oh, yep, I got 2 root 10.
Okay. 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 For 21 and 22 and 23, since you guys did those, I'm going to give you the solution that the book says, and you can check your work. If you don't have that, I want you to just go back, after class and try to get what they say. So this is for 21. X is, they're giving me an approximately equal to 4.7. Y is approximately equal to 1.8. And Z is approximately equal to 13.1. Okay? And then when you go back and check your work, if you, watch the video again, you try to get it, you can't get it, send me an email and I'll work it out for you and screenshot the work so you can see it worked out. Or you could come see me, but I think it'll be easier to look at my screenshot. Okay, 22. X equals 40. Y equals 10 root 5. And Z equals 20 root 5. All right, 23. X equals 24 root 2. Y equals 8 root 2. And Z equals 32. You guys see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, I'm not going to assign any more problems for the weekend. Okay, I just want you to go over these ones, make sure you understand them so we can move on. So if you didn't have those answers, you go to work them out and you're still thinking, I can't figure out how to get that. All right, let me know and I'll go over it with you. The only thing that I did assign was I put in 50 more problems into your sum dog, which is due next Friday.
Oh, that was easy.
Okay. Yeah. So, all right. All right, Lily, make sure you do those because I think I'm still waiting for your last ones.
It doesn't have them counted, so I don't know how many left I have to do.
No, but I can go in and I can see that you've done 33 problems and see how many minutes that you've been on it in the week. So I can kind of go by that.
Okay.
All right. So you have about 167 to do for that one. But you could do the 50 that it's going to keep track of first. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Then, do you have any questions for me?
Nope.
Okay.
Not right now.
Have a great day. Nice weekend.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
See Mrs. Thomas.